Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cool toned makeup look. I haven't done a cool toned makeup look in my channel, but since Natasha Denona has released her glam palette, cool toned makeup look has been trending on Instagram and all the social medias. So I thought that I'll pull out some of the cool tone that I have. It's nothing much, but I wanted to play around and see what I can do. I'm usually more like a warm, neutral tone makeup look girl or colors. I love colors, but I'm really looking into her mini glam palette. I think that's a really nice one. I might be picking it up, but I wanted to play around and see how I feel how a cool tone makeup looks on me. So let's get right into it. Hi guys, so we're just gonna go in with the Naked 2 palette, and I'm just priming my eyes first with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. This primer is quite white and intense, so it's really nice if you want to give the colors a pop, but if you want to do something really light, then I would go for something more like the Urban Decay primer portion. I used that for the longest time and I really loved it. Now I'm gonna just go in with Tease from the Naked 2, and I'm popping that into my crease as a transition shade. So I'm just taking a fluffier blending brush and blending it all out as well as I can. Just adding a bit more on the corners and blending it all in, so there's kind of like a gradient effect. Now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Smoky palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Whiskey. I'm adding that on the outer corner of my eye to give it a little more depth. The shades in the Naked 2 palette are more shiny, the deeper shades, and I don't want to go in with the black shade. So that's why I opted for this color. And this is a really nice neutral brown shade. Um, I also actually like the shade Whiskey eyeliner a lot. I went in with the 13 white, like light color eyeshadow for my brow bone highlight, and then I'm just blending it all in so it's nice and smooth. I don't want any harsh lines, so that's why it's really important to work on the basics and blend in your base colors really well, so later everything adds up really smoothly. Now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the shade Granite. So what I did, I just wet my flat shader brush with a MAC Fix Plus, so it gives it more intensity and the colors go on better, and it's like more pigmented than if you were just to put it on without the MAC Fix Plus. Once again, as you can see, at every step I take my blending brush and I blend everything in because I don't want things to be harsh. And now I'm gonna go in back to the Urban Decay Naked 2, and I put the YDK shade just on the center of my eyelid to give it a little more pop and dimension. And I think it really added a really nice effect, and once again blending it all. Now I'm gonna go and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So I'm back with a full face of foundation, concealer, blush, lipstick, and all that kind of good stuff. And I'm just gonna go and finish off my eyes. I want to add a little bit of color on my under eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So now, since we're done with our full face, I'm just gonna add the finishing touches. So I want to go on the lower lash line, and I want to add a bit of color over there. So first I'm going to go back with the shade Tease, and I'm just going to add that on my lower lash line and blend it all in so that it looks complete. It doesn't look like top heavy. and it gives a nice finishing touch. So doing that on both of my eyes, and what I do, I use the pointed part of the flat shader brush because it's more precise, so I don't want to blend it too low. Now I'm going in with the shade Busted from the Naked 2 palette to give it a bit more depth, but keeping it just on the outer part of the eye. I'm not bringing it all in like the shade Tease. I'm going in with a Makeup Forever black eyeliner and just lining my water line to intensify that. I added a little bit of the eyeliner on the top lash line as well, just in a smudging manner to give it that little smoky look. I didn't want anything too perfect, so it's quite easy. And then later on, you can just blend it all together with a blending brush if you feel the need to. Now I'm just cleaning out the fallout if there was a little bit, and I'm just gonna go in with the Milk mascara and put that on, and then I'll be back. And this is my final makeup look. As you can see, this is more of a glam kind of makeup look. Next time maybe I'm gonna do a more daytime makeup look. I don't know why, but whenever I do a cool tone makeup look, I tend to make it more bling and silvery and glam. But I do think it looks amazing, especially paired with this lipstick from Huda Beauty. This is her Day Slayer in Demi Matte, and I think the combination looks really good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do like, subscribe, share, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye!